All right, guys, welcome. So this is your assignment for today. I'm just going to go over again how to do it and lead you to your resources, and I'll let you free to do it on your own to complete the assignment. Today we're doing another CER, graphic organizer. Remember, CER stands for Claim Evidence Reasoning. You are going to click the CER. This time it is virtual. Remember, you're going to have to make your own copy, so you go to File, Make a Copy when it comes up. Add it to your drive. Make sure you change the share settings so that everybody else will be able to see it as well. Your justification or your claim right now is the sun is the ultimate source of energy. Remember, your claim is a statement that responds to this question, except it's not a question, it's a claim. You're going to use evidence from what you've learned in class as well as other sources. Must have at least, you don't need three, at least one outside source that supports this claim. Once you've completed the chart, you'll use it to write a paragraph about the claim, except we're also not going to do that. Your paragraph is going to be in your reasoning thing right here. So we've got our claim. That part is done for you, so good for you. You've already got 2 points down. Now I need you to find some evidence. Provide scientific data to support your claim. Your evidence should be appropriate or relevant and sufficient, enough to convince someone that your claim is correct. This could be bullet points instead of sentences. So go ahead and type that in this category. And then R, your reasoning. Again, you're going to use scientific principles and knowledge that you have about your topic to explain why your evidence or your scientific research that you've done supports this claim right here. In other words, explains how your data proves your point. So we don't use proves, we use the word supports your point. This will be in a paragraph. So while this can be bullet points with, again, your sources like this, so tell me where you got it from, even if that's just a website link right there. This is a paragraph. Here's how you're going to be graded. So did you make your claim, yes or no? Was your evidence sufficient in support the claim, yes or no? And then was your reasoning written in the way that it needs to be? Does it specifically say how your evidence is linked to the claim? And is it appropriate and scientific? All right, that's it. That's all you're doing today. When you're done, submit the link or the document into your Canvas assignment. That's it. Tomorrow we'll be reviewing, and Friday you're taking a test. Goodbye.